So what I got here is a Ryden programmable power supply. So I have bought the enclosure for this, and then one can fit the power supply to feed this in the back. It's quite a deep enclosure, it's a nice metal enclosure, but for now I'm feeding this from my bench power supply, the lab power supply. It's a switch mode power supply, so I'm feeding this with 30 volts. Now I've got a load on it, this halogen lamp, a 12 volt lamp, I think it's 50 watts. And on the scope I'm looking at yellow, the output from the Ryden, and blue is the input to it from my power supply, because obviously my power supply is going to be causing noise to this thing, so you want to be aware of that when looking at output noise of a power supply. So turning it on, there the lamp has come on, and we can see the output voltage, which I've got set to 12 volts. There's the current being drawn, which is quite nice because it's down to 1/10 of a milliamp. There's your power being delivered. Now my clip leads are not quite up to the task at this current, they're getting a bit toasty. Anyhow, let's talk numbers. I'm seeing about 20 millivolts of ripple on the output of this power supply with that load and voltage, and the same on the input on the blue trace. Okay, so that's not bad. I'm quite happy with that. I haven't been able to confirm the accuracy of this. That I can do at some stage with another meter, but I think for the money this is quite a lot of bang for buck. This little programmable power supply, something I've been wanting to add for a long time, and now I own one. Very good. Awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, take care, have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.